Throughout history, scientists have made discoveries that change the world. But what happens when their research threatens powerful industries or governments? What if their work was so revolutionary that they had to be silenced? Today, we are uncovering 7 mysterious deaths where brilliant minds died under suspicious circumstances. Their deaths were ruled accidents or suicides, but missing files, classified reports, and strange coincidences tell a different story. Stay until the end, because the last case might be the most shocking of all. If you love uncovering hidden mysteries, hit like and subscribe for more investigations.
Dorothy Kilgallen wasn't a scientist, but she was a fearless journalist who got too close to one of the biggest secrets in history, the JFK assassination. She was one of the only reporters given private access to key witnesses and classified documents. She even claimed she had evidence that would blow the case wide open. But before she could publish her findings, she was found dead in her apartment in 1965. The official cause? A drug and alcohol overdose. But her closest friends insisted she was not a heavy drinker, and the mix of drugs in her system was highly unusual. Even more disturbing, her manuscripts and personal notes vanished. Did she uncover something so dangerous that she had to be silenced?
Dr. David Kelly was a top biological weapons expert who exposed a massive government lie and died mysteriously days later. In 2003, Kelly revealed that Iraq did not have weapons of mass destruction, contradicting the official reason for the Iraq War. Just days after making this claim, he was found dead in the woods near his home. The official cause? Suicide by wrist slashing. But here's where it gets suspicious. Medical experts said his wounds weren't deep enough to be fatal. Almost no blood was found at the scene. His autopsy report was classified for 70 years. If his death was really a suicide, why hide the records? Was he silenced for exposing the truth? Let us know what you think in the comments. Vlatko Vedral was a leading expert in quantum physics and artificial intelligence, warning that AI was evolving too fast and could one day surpass human intelligence. In 2022, he was found dead under unexplained circumstances. Soon after, many of his online research papers were deleted. Vedral's work explored the power of AI in controlling information and predicting human behavior. Some believe he had discovered something too dangerous to be revealed. Was his death a tragic coincidence or something more? With AI advancing faster than ever, could he have been right all along?
Jack Parsons was a brilliant rocket scientist, but he had a dark secret. He was deeply involved in occult rituals and secret societies. His work helped launch the space age, but in 1952, he died in a mysterious explosion while working in his home lab. Authorities called it an accident, but many of his friends didn't believe it. Parsons had connections to secret organizations, and his research into advanced propulsion systems made him a target. Right after his death, his notebooks and private research disappeared. Some believe his experiments went too far, while others say he was silenced. Was Parsons' death just a tragic accident, or did he discover something others wanted hidden?
Stanley Meyer claimed he invented a car that ran on water instead of gasoline, a discovery that could have changed the world. His water fuel cell supposedly split water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen, creating a powerful, clean-burning fuel. But just as he was gaining attention, everything changed. In 1998, while dining at a restaurant, Meyer suddenly ran outside, clutching his throat, and collapsed. His last words? "They poisoned me." The official cause of death was a brain aneurysm, but many believe he was silenced to protect the oil industry. After his death, his prototype and research mysteriously disappeared. Was Meyer's invention real? And if so, was he eliminated to keep the world dependent on oil? Between 1982 and 1990, at least 25 British scientists working on top-secret defense projects died under highly suspicious circumstances. Some were ruled suicides, others had mysterious car accidents, and some were even found drowned with no clear explanation. But here's where it gets strange. Many of these scientists worked on classified radar and missile defense systems. A few had connections to advanced electronic warfare projects. The British government never provided a full explanation for the deaths. Were these brilliant minds silenced to protect national security secrets? Or did they discover something the world was never meant to know? Vlatko Vidril was a leading expert in quantum physics and artificial intelligence, warning that AI was evolving too fast and could one day surpass human intelligence. In 2022, he was found dead under unexplained circumstances. Soon after, many of his online research papers were deleted. Vidril's work explored the power of AI in controlling information and predicting human behavior. Some believe he had discovered something too dangerous to be revealed. Was his death a tragic coincidence or something more? With AI advancing faster than ever, could he have been right all along?
So many of these scientists and experts were working on groundbreaking discoveries, only to die under mysterious circumstances before their work could be completed. From energy breakthroughs to AI warnings and government secrets, the patterns are impossible to ignore. Were these just coincidences, or was there something more sinister at play? History is filled with secrets, and sometimes the most important discoveries are the ones that never see the light of day. If you found this video fascinating, hit like and subscribe for more investigations into the world's greatest mysteries.